What's up, guys? It's Marvin, and today I'm back for another challenge. And for today's practice to push my tolerance of spicy food beyond the limit, I'm gonna do a timing challenge. It's gonna be a how many habaneros can I eat in 90 seconds. Um, so here are the habaneros. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to eat them all in 90 seconds. If I miraculously do end up eating them all 90 seconds, I'm pretty sure my butthole is gonna fall out in the toilet after I'm done with this challenge. Um, I'm not even sure how much this stuff weighs. I kind of just grabbed a bunch and threw it in the bag, and let's turn this on. Let's see how much this weighs. Let's see. Give me a second. Let's measure it in grams like it's drugs. Alright, so I guess it's coming in mirrored because of the camera, but it's 174 grams. Taking a couple grams off because of the plate. So 174 grams of habaneros. It smells spicy. I'm a little nervous, but you know what? It is what it is. It smells good, though. I can at least say that. Yeah, so all these are habaneros. Again, I'm going to see how many I can eat in 90 seconds. I'm kind of filming this guerrilla style, so there's not really any editing whatsoever. So I figure, you know what? The video is at 2 minutes. When I get to 2 minutes and 30 seconds, I'm gonna start the challenge, and I'll end it at the 4-minute mark. So right now I have about 16 seconds before it starts. So I'm gonna take all these habaneros and just take them straight to the dome and just go crazy. So about to go, and now. Oh, it's hot. I'm trying to swallow it, but it's so thick. It's like chewing through rubber. Oh, fuck. Drop one there. Woo! Flaming rooster, this shit is hot. I don't even know why this is bothering me more than the other two challenges, but fuck, this is hot. Oh man, that was hot. Woo! Finishing up what I got left. I don't even think I ate that many. Woo! This is so hard to chew. I don't know if it's just. Give me a second here. I gotta finish this. I can't just leave this in my tongue. Woo! Wow. Well, I learned a very valuable lesson. These habaneros are very tough to chew. They're a lot harder to chew than Carolina Reaper. It's almost like when you have 4 to 5 of them in your mouth at once, it's like chewing, like literally like spicy bubble gum. It is hot. Woo! Man, I feel like the devil bent over and he made me lick his ass crack. It's hot. It is really hot. Woo! How many grams did I eat? 138. So I ate, what's it, 174? So 138. I ate like over 30 grams of habeneros. That is hot. And I ate one. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Oh, looks like 8. 8 habaneros. Looks like I ate 8 of them. Man, that was hot. I think that much capsaicin so quickly truly blew my mouth. That is hot. I could already feel it in my stomach. No poker face here today, guys. It's hot, but I can handle it. Wow. That is really spicy. Wow. That is hot. I was not expecting it to be that hot after doing the 1 chip challenge and eating the raw Carolina Reaper, but I guess eating so many that quickly it just builds up quicker. And I guess having to chew it more, really having to chew the crap out of it. It was like chewing through a $2 steak. It just kept marinating my tongue with the capsaicin. And I think maybe that's why it really just blew my mind how hot that was. Woo! That is really hot. Give me a second. I am definitely sweating. I'll stay on for another minute or so. For everyone who keeps watching my videos, I want to say thank you for supporting me and watching me as I continue to grow in my journey of building up my tolerance, eating spicy food. And give me a sec. Fuck. Well, it looks like I ate 8 of them. That's one of the stems didn't fall off the plate. Calling it 8. Wow. That was hot. That was hot. 1 out of 10. You know what? I don't even want to cap. I don't even want to play around. That was an 8. They were just so hard to chew. Man, it was like chewing through rubber. And then the more you have in your mouth, it's like they bind together. And they get stronger. And it's harder to chew and swallow. I guess that was really my biggest problem. Just having to constantly just chew them and chew them and chew them and chew them and chew it. Just to get it down. Especially with no drink. I just had to really chew it. Wow. Well, this was another exciting challenge. At least it was for me. Hopefully it was for you guys watching. Again, thanks for watching. As I'm catching my breath here, I'll leave it on this final note. I'll keep pushing myself, and I'll keep doing more spicier challenges until my tolerance for eating spicy food is second to none, and my tolerance is world class with the other spicy eaters who can tolerate spicy food. So, until the next video, take care. Peace and chicken wings.